Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to put you guys on a good penny stock that I believe the share price is going to double. But this is going to be a quick money get in and get out play. So you'll be able to take your profits from 20% to 100% gain. Okay, there's no point hanging around for too long and holding this too long. Although I believe this could potentially end up being a good long-term play. But when I believe it's going to be a good long-term play, I'll do a video on it as a long-term play. So the company behind this play is Genuis Brands. Ticker symbol is GNUS. So the share price at the moment is at a dip. It's been dipping for a while and it looks like it's about to start recovering and pretty much head back up. So I believe it's a good time to get in on this play, and I believe the share price is going to double. The Genuis Brand, they create and license multimedia for toddlers and kids. So in this video, I'm going to go through the company overview and the fundamental analysis behind this company. So looking at the strengths of the company, why it's good to pretty much get in on a fundamental note. And also I'm going to go through the technical analysis of the share price. So basically looking at price action and why I believe it's a good time to get in right now. So this leads me on to my third point. I'm going to give a price prediction where I believe this share price is going to get to. Welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, investment discussions, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. With that being said, let's get this bread. So currently on Yahoo Finance, Genuis Brands International, ticker symbol GNUS. Last trading price was $2.01. So it was down by 0.99% on Friday session. Okay, so they're based in Beverly Hills, United States. Genuis Brands International Inc., a content and brand management company, creates and licenses multimedia content for toddlers and tweens worldwide. Genuis Brands, the market cap is 601.98 million. So they're a small cap company, but they're growing at the moment. So the beta is 2.05, which shows there's a lot of activity on this stock. So the volatility is quite high. Okay, so the average volume is 32.37 million shares being traded. Okay, which is very high. It's a lot. Volume of shares traded on Friday was 15 million shares being traded. So it's roughly half of the average volume, which is still a high volume of shares being traded in any given session, which shows a lot of investors are getting behind Genuis Brands. So they're buying up the shares, they're buying up the stock. So if I have a look at what analysts are saying, so right now analysts are saying that this stock right now is at a buy. It's a very good time to buy, especially as the stock price is at a dip, or it's been dipping for a while. So you're able to effectively get in on this stock at a cheaper price and increase your profit margin when the share price rises. So currently on Globe News Wire, Genuis Brands International completes strategic acquisition of Chasecom Limited and Chasecom Beacon Media, representing over $100 million in annual media spend. So although this article was written in February the 2nd, 2021, it's still very much relevant to what's going on with the share price at the moment and why I believe it's a good time to get in on this stock, especially in the long term. This stock could potentially be a good long-term hold. But for now, it's going to be a quick money play. Beverly Hills, California, February 2nd, 2021, Globe News Wire. Genuis Brands International, GNUS, a global brand management company that creates and licenses multimedia entertainment content for children, today announced it has completed the previously announced acquisition of Chasecom Limited, a leading North American marketing and media agency, as well as Chasecom Beacon Media, its best-in-class media research, planning, and buying division. So first of all, the fact that Genuis Brands are able to make acquisitions or buy out companies speaks volumes about the company, about the strategy, and about the plans that they have in terms of growing the company, and ultimately speaks volume about how well the company is set to grow in the future, and also about the management team, because it's not easy to acquire companies to have the cash on hand or the strategies, etc., to acquire a company. Because when you acquire a company, you have to maintain that company and understand how that company's business strategies and ethos actually fits with your company. All right, there's a lot of work involved in that. So the fact that Genuis Brands are acquiring two companies, and not just any companies, they're pretty much leading North American marketing company and also the best-in-class media research company, speaks a lot of volume about Genuis Brands. So they have a vision for taking the company Genuis Brands to the next level, okay, which is very good as a company, because that means that they're going to grow as a company or they're planning to grow a lot as a company, and ultimately means a lot of good things for shareholders and investors that are looking to buy the stock, because it means that the stock price is ultimately going to rise. So this is partially why I believe the share price is going to take off. Like I mentioned, I see potential in Genuis Brands long term. Okay. But right now I'm seeing this. My strategy behind this right now is just get out, because I have a lot of confidence that the share price is going to double. So if we have a look at the chart of Genuis Brands, so ticker symbol GNUS, the share price has effectively been rising. It's pretty much taken off. But right now it's at a dip. So I believe this dip presents a good buying opportunity. So part of the reason I believe this is a good time to buy at this point. So the dip has effectively come down to support. There was a breakout of the resistance that was created at $2. So that breakout effectively took the price all the way up to $3. So it was a huge breakout. Since then, the bears brought the price down to below the support. Okay, so the old resistance now effectively becomes a new support when there's a breakout. Okay, so the bears brought the price back down. So you could have seen this as a false break, but the bulls have pretty much brought the price back up above $2, above the support. And the price at the moment is currently staying above the support. So this is a good indication that there's a lot of demand around this support, which ultimately means that this support is a good support. So guys, make sure you get in on Genuis Brands on Tuesday's session, because right now there's a stock market holiday. Okay, so get in on Genuis Brands. I believe the share price is going to double. All right, but right now it's a quick money play. So get in and get out. And if you're in profit and you want to hang around, then I would advise that you place a trailing stop order. Okay, so that way you lock in profits, even if it goes against you. If they plummets after it doubles and you want to hold on for longer and the share price plummets, you'll get out at a profit. You'll have your profits locked in. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. And guys, comment below. Let me know what you think of Genuis Brands. If you're in Genuis Brands, or if you're thinking about getting in on Genuis Brands, let me know in the comments below. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.